Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have all been doing well. I am back today with another fashion haul for you guys. This one's exciting. This might be even more exciting than Boohoo and Shein, which if you haven't seen those ones, I will have them linked down below for you guys if you want to check those out. Today is Amazon, okay? So I thought this would be really exciting to do with you guys because I find myself buying more and more clothes off of Amazon. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell when you guys know that I upload, and you guys know the drill. In addition to me showing you guys the pieces, I also do a try-on portion, so I will go ahead and insert clips with me wearing these pieces because let's face it, sometimes what you see online is not what you get. So enough rambling, let's go ahead, let's talk, let's try these pieces on and see what I got from Amazon. So this is the first top that I want to show you guys. I love this. It has like those puffer sleeves that kind of like bell out at the bottom, which I love, love, love these types of tops. If you guys are new here, I love crop tops and I love exposing shoulders, especially now with the summer months. So this was right up my alley. It cinches you in, so it is elastic all around, so it's not gonna like fly up on you. I always like to pair crop tops with high-waisted shorts or pants or any types of bottoms. That way not so much skin is exposed. It just makes me feel a little bit more, you know, comfortable in public. And like always, I will leave my measurements down below for you guys. That way you guys have a little bit of a comparison on what size that, you know, would be best for you. I did get a size small in this one. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like a little bit closer. All right, guys, so here is the white crop top. You guys, if you watch my videos, especially like my fashion ones, you guys know how much I love like off the shoulder tops like this that are a little bit cropped. This beautiful material, the design, it is lined in the front. It's double lined in the front, but not in the back. This is such a cute summer outfit. The sleeves, like I said, are that very thin material. I'm not even sure what you call that, but I can't say enough good things about this top. This is definitely my type of vibe, and I love the eyelet material. Try and show you the back a little bit there. So next up, I have this piece here, and this one I'm really excited about because I feel like I can wear this all year round. I can layer it, I can wear it like, you know, under a flannel, wear it with leggings, dress it up with heels. I just feel like this is going to be a very versatile piece in my collection. I got a size small in this one, and the fabric feels really good too. Of course, I didn't wash it yet, but it's 33% cotton, 61 polyester, and 5% spandex. So I don't think we're going to get that much shrinkage, but let's go ahead and let's check this one out. All right, guys, so this is the Vogue T-shirt. Just wanted to give you guys an ensemble of how I would pair this. You can't go wrong with all black, okay? So when in doubt, just put on all black. It's slimming, it looks put together. The t-shirt is really good quality. Now when I wash it, I'm not sure how it's gonna wash up. Obviously you can dress it down with some sneakers, but I don't know, I just feel like this was a moment I had to have with just kind of casual on the top, a little bit of more dressy on the bottom. Pretty much gonna be a staple in my closets because there's so many ways that I can style this, and I am excited about it. Next up, so then we have this polka dot long sleeve. Now, I know you want to say it's a dress, but it's not, okay? It's actually a romper. There's shorts under here, which is one of like the main reasons why I loved this piece. It's very, very beautiful. It's more of a cream shade and it has like, you know, the polka dot Dalmatian print, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. There is also a tie. You can tie it in the front, you can tie it in the back, depending on what your preference is. I have it tied in the front for the try-on portion. It's a little bit low cut, so you guys will see it's a deep V, okay? It's letting the girls show, but there's nothing you can't do. I am gonna go ahead and just put a little stitch in, but when I try it on for you guys, I do just have a little pin, just so like my girls aren't all out, you know, on the internet. So in the back, it does have a zipper that you really can't see. Well, you can kind of see. So it does zip on, so you hike it up from the bottom, bring the sleeves up, and you're good to go. So you have like this top layer, and then underneath is where the shorts are. Something else I want to mention, it is double lined in the front, so you're not gonna have any issues, but it is, again, not double lined in the back. So just keep that in mind. If you are gonna wear a bra, you might see the back strap, so I always recommend just using little pasties or using one of the sticky bras that are just in the front. I'm also gonna show you guys a pair of heels that I actually got from Amazon as well. It's part of this haul. So I wanted to get a new pair, and that, guys, they had so many different colors of these too. So even if you don't want just like plain black, they do have other options, so keep that in mind. The heel height is perfect too. I will leave the heel height that I got down below, because with this, when you go and visit that link down there, they have different heel heights. So you can pick by the color that you want and the heel height. This is like a 3.5 or 4-inch heel. I'll make sure I link it down below. I feel like this is a very safe height because I can still like walk in them. Oh, and I do want to mention I got a size 7 because if you read the reviews, everybody was saying to size down a half a size because they do run a little bit big. So in heels, I am usually a 7.5. I did get a 7 and they fit me like a glove. So definitely size down if you're going to go ahead and get these. I'm going to pair them with the dress for you guys. That way you can kind of see them all together. Okay guys, so here is the romper, even though it looks like a dress, does it not? Like, you would never guess that these are shorts under here. It's like these are the shorts and they put this like top layer on, so it just looks like very ruffly, and I think that is just so adorable. I love this because it definitely cinches you in at the waist here. It does tie in the front, or you can put the bow in the back, whatever your preference may be. And I do want to point out that I did have to put, I'm gonna have to put a stitch right here. Right now I just have a safety pin because this does cut down pretty low, and like even this is like a lot for me to show, but just be wary of that. This is very, very low cut. Beautiful. This looks so expensive, and it wasn't. This is just too stinking beautiful. I can't get over it, but honestly, I am in love with this. And again, we have the Amazon shoes on here as well. But you guys, it just looks so cute, and I want to wear this. Next up is my favorite color, olive. So I had to incorporate the olive somewhere in this haul if you guys, have been following me. But this is a bodysuit, and I'm a huge fan of bodysuits. I don't mention them enough, but I have so many of them. It's hard to find really good ones that aren't like riding up you the whole day, ones that don't snap, ones that just kind of pull. It does snap at the bottom, so you have that. So when you go into the restroom, you don't have to like pull the whole thing down. We've all, been there. These do come up a little bit high, so keep in mind if you are gonna get this, you're gonna have to wear more higher waisted pants. I have no idea what this means. I'm not even gonna try to say it. And something else that I wanna mention is that the straps are super tiny. Oh, and I do wanna mention it's not like a complete thong in the back, but it's not like a complete bum hugger either. It's like kind of like in the middle. It's like gonna be like a little cheeky. I got a size small, but let's go ahead and let's check this out. Okay guys, so this is the bodysuit. Really a great quality. Anyways, I do just have the heels. I just kept them on, so you guys can see those. I do love how it has like these super thin straps, so if you like that, you might want to check this out. And then the back, let me just show you guys again. A lot of back shows. Even like in the fall months, like putting like a flannel over it is going to be really nice. All right, next up, we might as well do the other olive piece. Now this I have mixed feelings about, which I will show you guys once I try it on, but it's just basically, I'm trying to get on my tippy toes to show you. It is just pants. It is a jumpsuit. I did get a small in this, and it's kind of hard to see, but you guys will see it on. It does have a tie at the waist, and this is one of those ties where when you pull it, it actually does take it in for you. The only complaint that I have is I need a smaller size. This is a size small. I have to go back on. I'm not sure if they had extra smalls or not. I can get away with it on how I'm thinking I'm gonna style it. It does have pockets, does have a button on the front here. That way not so much of like your girls are showing. I just need a smaller size. So let me just go ahead and show you guys it on. All right guys, so this is actually the jumper that I have on, and I'll show you what it looks like without all of the accessories on. I just have it kind of like cuffed. These do come down to the ankle, but because I have short legs, I always like a little bit of ankle to show. So that's just a nice little trick to make your legs look a little bit longer than they are. I wanted to dress it up, but then I was like, let me do something a little bit more casual, just because I feel like it's a little bit more relatable, especially, you know, during times right now. So this is the jumpsuit. Hopefully you can tell the olive with the lighting, but like I mentioned, there is a button there, which is nice. So you can kind of see what the back looks like there. So I do want to point out just a few things here. It's really baggy, like in this boob area, like the perimeter or diameter, whatever that number is. It's super big right there. So if I take off the jacket, the crotch is a little bit low. It's like my crotch is like up here, and it's like at least 3 inches down too far. I do love it though. Like, I love how it has the pockets. I love how you can tie it and adjust the waist. It fits pretty nice back there. It's just, there's a lot of loose action happening up here. So now I want to go ahead and talk about some athletic wear, lounge wear. Now this is a tie-dye 2-piece set. I love tie-dye. If you guys haven't seen my tie-dye video, I'll put it in the eye above. You have the top here, very basic. Again, I got a size small. And then you have the biker shorts here, which are, again, high-waisted. They hit me like right above the knee area, which you guys will see. My only issue with this, and I will continue to wear this around the house, but you guys will see, again, this is a size small. I think I need an extra small. It's a little bit big in like the crotch area, and I did, before I tried these on for you guys, I did try to wash them and shrink them. They did shrink a little bit, but just not enough. So let's go ahead and see what this one looks like on. All right, guys, so here is the tie-dye 2-piece set. Love the print. This is what it looks like. Now it might look good from far away, which it does, I'll give it that, but I need to point out a few things to you guys. I do need a smaller size in this one, but I don't think they had an extra small in this particular pattern. I don't know if you can tell, but like it's not really secure at the bottom of the girls. So I feel like every time I move, it just kind of like hikes up. So it's very loose. And something else I need to point out, these shorts are very, very loose, like in here. They fit really good like on the waist because of the waistband, but this is just, can you guys see that? Like how much loose fabric I have in there? I mean, other than that, it's a really cute outfit. You guys need these. So I'll try both of them on for you guys, but they are the same thing. I just got them in different colors, and I'm probably gonna go buy every single color. These were a little bit more pricey for Amazon, but it's totally worth your buck. So these are what the bottoms look like. It is a pant set. These hit me perfectly right at the ankle, which you guys will see. Again, I'm 5'3". I love this color. Of course, I am gonna have to make sure like I have a tan on, just because when I don't have a tan, I am pretty light, and this might just blend in with me. This quality is honestly comparable to Gymshark. It's comparable to Lululemon. It is so thick of fabric, and it really like sucks you in and just kind of holds everything in place, so like nothing falls out. You know what I mean? And then I also want to throw this in there, but this is just your basic zip up hoodie. I just got it in a size medium in men's because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized, and I wanted it to cover my butt. You could just throw this on and it looks so cute, but it's a very basic piece that I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out, and maybe I'll pair it with the black so you guys can kind of see that together. All right, guys, this is the nude set, activewear set that I got. I just didn't put any shoes on. I love the color when I have a tan, okay? When I'm not tan, I'm probably gonna blend right into this, which is why I got the black one. But you guys, the only thing that I need to point out to you guys is like, you're gonna get a camel toe, okay? I mean, this is that material where it's kind of like seamless in the front, so you might get a little bit of that camel toe action. So if you can deal with that, I would highly recommend these. Really great quality. I do want to mention that this is super thick material, tops and bottoms. Like, I'm really grabbing, so it really just kind of like holds everything in. So let me try and give you guys the back view. This is what it looks like. So it's very low in the back as well. So I do feel like it's very flattering, especially too because it's high-waisted. Okay, here is the same set in black. Now, one of the good things about the black is that the camel toe is not as noticeable. They're both great fabric, great quality. Again, really, really thick everywhere. High-waisted. I'm 5'3". They hit me right where I like them to hit me. Honestly, I feel like people would think that this is like Gymshark, Lululemon, all of those overpriced athletic wear companies. I mean, this is Amazon and it's like just as good. So, and while we have this on, why not just show you guys my men's medium oversized, well, it's oversized on me because it's men's, but this is the men's medium, just plain old zip up that I got. I went ahead and actually ordered it in black as well. I just am still waiting on that, but this is exactly how like I would wear this with running shoes. But I love this because you can kind of see it comes past my butt, so it covers all of that up. It's just nice. It's oversized. You can wear it off of the shoulder. I think it looks really, really good against the black. And again, this is like that light ash gray wash. If you're going to the gym and you just need something to cover yourself up, I mean, I love this. It's not oversized like this way. It's just long. You don't always have to shop in the women's section, okay? Shop in the men's, size up, size down, because they have some great items that I feel like women just don't have, you know? So guys, this wraps up today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it and if you like these fashion hauls. That way I know to do more for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what some of your favorite pieces are, and if you end up getting any of them, you should definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to hear from you guys and see you guys rocking these items. Other than that, thank you guys so much if you stuck around till the end, and I really appreciate your guys' constant support. I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye!